Today is the last day of the year, and in a few hours the party will go on inside my house, and in half an hour my good friend will be here and we will start cooking and preparing a full-blown 3-dish course for our guests. So this is a perfect time to jump on the camera and wish everybody a happy new year in advance. 2018 has been a fantastic year for TechDrone Media. I almost doubled the amount of subscribers on all the social outlets like YouTube, Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. This would not have been possible without your help, and I'm truly grateful for that. And 2019 will be even better with exploring new drone video and photo techniques with my tips, tests and tutorials. Hopefully we will see some exciting drone releases as well. Also, I promise I will include more electric unicycle videos as some of you have requested. 2019 is also the year of collaborations. There are so many great content creators out there that I want to do collaborations with. So let's see if we can make that happen. And finally, Happy New Year and see you on the other side.